Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cooking and Loving. My name is Jonathan Padronelli and today we have another cooking dish ahead of us today. Last time I brought you to America, the USA, to make you a beautiful mac and cheese. Today I'm bringing you back to Italy to make a beautiful after the sigla. So today we'll be making one of my all-time favorite pasta dish, gnocchi and gorgonzola con noci, which is translated in English, basically gnocchi, the pasta, with gorgonzola, which is an Italian cheese, and noci, which is walnuts. So the ingredients are 50 grams of walnut, 285 milliliters of panna or double cream, 300 grams of gnocchi, 150 grams of gorgonzola, a couple pinches of salt, and a couple pinches of pepper. Let's turn on the water. Wait for it to boil. Now I'm going to start chopping our walnuts. I like walnuts, to be honest. Make sure you don't chop them too small. So I'm going to put the salt into our water. One. Now let's start preparing the base cream. Okay, so I'm gonna toast my walnuts. You don't need to, I prefer to toast them because I like to. So I'm gonna turn on the fire, right hand, and throw these walnuts in. So this is the size you want them, not too big, not too small. In they go. And let them toast for a while. Next up, pretty easy, we put our cream inside. Now I'm going to add my gorgonzola. Now I'm going to wait for this to melt. Now you can, if you want, you can substitute it for dolce latte if you don't find gorgonzola. Dolce latte is a good substitute, but if you want to do the proper way, try and find gorgonzola. So right now I'm waiting for everything to melt, so let's add the gnocchi. Slowly. Now the way to know that your gnocchi is done is that they'll start floating up, and that's when you know you can put it into here, which is looking pretty good right now. Okay, so they're done, really quickly actually. Once you transferred, you can twist. This is where like everything comes together. Now let's add the final touch. Little pinches of salt. And a little pepper. plating time. Now for the final touch, our walnuts. Testing time. I'm just gonna go straight into it because I love this dish. 2 walnuts. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Oh, this is too good. You have to try this dish because, like no words. But anyway, I have to end the video here. I hope you all love this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Lucky you. Alla prossima. Ciao!